Hello everyone, you're welcome back to our lesson number 2. In this lesson number 2, we want to look at how to add pages to our site. Adding pages to the site. So remember, in our first lesson we looked at how to start expression web and edit the master page accordingly, and we did that. So now we even went ahead to specify the file name for the pages that we are going to add, and we can see them here. We are having home.html for home page, courses.html for courses page, and many others. So these are the very file names that we are going to give to our pages when we are adding them. So please make sure you don't forget that. Now, how do we add the page to our site after editing the master page? So what you need to do, make sure that you have closed even the master page, and remember last time we did not save, so you make sure you have saved all the changes. Okay, such that you're under the site view. So when you're adding pages to the master page, when we are adding pages to our site, we add them on the master page. So what you do, simply right click on the master.dwt. So after right clicking, move your cursor to new from dynamic web template, and the page will be added. We have added this one of the page. You can see here, Untitled 1.html. So we have added this page, only that we need to give it a name, and the first one is a home page, and we called it home.html. So what you do, you come to save all button. This is where save all button is. Then you click on it to give this page a name. So file name default for us, we are calling ours to be, remember we called it home.html. It must be the same spelling. Then what you need to do again, also the page title, you must change the page title. Here it is telling us Guru University, but this page is called the home page. So change title, and you call it a home page. Okay, and save. So here now you can see it has changed to home.html instead of Untitled 1. So by doing that, you have added the home page. So you close it and you add the rest by repeating the same procedure. So let's add another one. Right clicking on the master, new from dynamic web template, close this. So you have added another page here. What you are left with is just saving it, and to save that, click on save all buttons. File name, we are calling it courses.html. in small letters, the same spelling. Then don't forget to change the page title. This is a courses page. Okay, save. You can close it. Remember, we are just adding the pages. We are not adding anything in the pages yet. So another page, right click on the master, new from dynamic web template. You have added it, save, and you give it a name. This one is departments. .html. HTML. Then you must change the page title departments page. Departments page. Then you save. Come and close from here. Add another one. Right click on the master. New from dynamic web template. You have added. You simply save it now. And this one is employee dot HTML. We change the page title to employee page. Save. So we are left with one page, that's registration. Close this, right click, new from dynamic web template. Close this. You have added, you need just to save and give it a name. To save all. And this is registration dot HTML. Then you change the page title also. Registration page. Okay, save. Then you close. So by doing that, we have added all the required pages, all the necessary pages to our website. Now make sure that the file name you have given to your pages is the same as the one you have on your master page. So how do you do that? You can compare them. So here we are having folder list with all the listing of the pages that you have added just. Then you can open your master page and you compare them. So under master page, you go to the code view. The code, you can see first file name is home.html. You see here also if the spelling is the same. You come to the second one, courses, the spelling if they are the same. Departments.html, departments.html. You come to employee.html, employee.html. Lastly, registration. So in case the spelling is the same, there you can smile knowing that everything is okay. In case you have here registration.html and here you had another spelling, there is something missing, you can rename it from here by simply right clicking on it. Then you have rename here and you type in what is supposed to be there. Simply just type in your registration very well. Registration.html to fit what is here, because it must be the same spelling. Then after that, yeah, you can close and everything will be okay. So yeah, that's what we have wanted to look at, adding pages to our site. So thank you so much for your time. Let's meet in the next lesson.